A sneeze at 60 miles an hour closes your eyes for almost 50 feet. You may or may not have heard this before, but it actually kind of keeps me up at night. When you sneeze, your eyes close for a brief instant. However, if you sneeze while driving at 60 miles an hour, your eyes will be closed for approximately 50 feet. According to one 2014 study, drivers who temporarily lose vision due to sneezing cause 2,500 accidents in England every week. Yeah, every week. Now, what are those stats in the US, where we have more landmass and significantly more cars on the roads?